Hi guys, so in today's video I am going to be installing this gorgeous curly unit from XrsBeauty. You guys know I love XrsBeauty because of their clear lace. As you guys can see, I have the clear lace versus the transparent lace, and you can tell the clear difference. In this box you're going to get a comb, a wig cap, an edge brush, and some flexi rods. So without further ado, let's jump right into this install. So starting off, I have gelled my hair back and I'm gonna apply my wig cap. I got this wig cap from Amazon. I'm gonna link it below for you guys if you guys are interested. So I'm gonna be using my Got To Be spray to lay down my wig cap. I wanted to do the ball cap method because this wig is so seamless, the lace is so seamless, that I wanted it to look like it was growing out of my scalp. So I decided to do the ball cap method. You could skip the ball cap method if you want, but I do believe that if you want like the perfect install, you do need a ball cap method. So I'm just gonna spray the ear tabs and put my comb behind it. I actually got this idea from Laresia Andrea and it actually works. So if you're having a problem with ear tabs, use a comb to like press it in place, and then while blow drying the hair, use the comb to also hold it in place. Once I've cut the hole in my ears, I'm gonna start cutting my wig cap. I try to get it as close to my hairline as possible. So you want to take your time with this and use those sharp scissors to cut the wig cap. I'm going to be using my Revlon color stay in the color 450 on my wig cap so it could look like a ball cap. And now I'm just gonna apply my wig. As you guys know, I love XrsBeauty. I get so excited whenever I work with them because their lace is just so amazing. The hair looks so good. This curly hair was so bomb. It was insane. I didn't wet it, but I think I'm gonna try and like take pictures in it when I go on vacation because this hair has to be seen. Like, it has to be seen wet. It is just so beautiful. Look how big and full it is. I did get it in 20 inches and it is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. So I'm gonna wipe my hairline with alcohol to make sure that that glue like stays for a little bit. And now what I'm doing right now is just measuring my wig and see where I want to place it. And you guys can see I haven't even done nothing and it already looks so good. I'm gonna spray wig protectant, I think that's what it's called, hair protectant. I'm going to spray it on my hair where I'm going to be putting my glue, and then I'm just going to apply my glue. I did like 2 layers this time, not really 3 layers because I'm not going to be leaving this on for too long, but I did do 2 layers. And what I did was I waited for my glue to be completely clear before I apply another layer. I did used to watch Argente's video, but he said he didn't wait for it to dry. He just went ahead and applied a second layer even though it's still white. Don't do that because you're gonna have a lot of issues trying to get that thing to dry down. So it's best for you to apply a very thin layer first, let it dry down, and then apply the second layer and let that dry down, and then blow dry it a little bit on cool, and then you could apply your wig. And this is gonna give you that flawless install that you want. Now before I cut my lace, I'm just gonna apply my Mojo Extreme Hold lace band, and I'm just gonna sit under my dryer for about a few minutes for it to like lock into place, and then I'm gonna cut the excess lace. I still have some areas that I need to apply glue to, so I'm just gonna apply glue to those little areas just so the wig could lay down perfectly. So I'm gonna stop pulling out my baby hair. You don't have to do a baby hair for this install, but I wanted a baby hair because I don't know, I feel like when you do curly hair, you just have to do like really nice dramatic baby hair. That's just me. That was my preference for this look. So I did do some nice beautiful baby hair. I'm just gonna pull like a little bit of hair off, and I'm gonna use a razor to cut it. I'm using a razor because I wanted to flow, not be choppy. I just wanted to kind of flow, so I used the razor to cut the baby hair. And what I'm doing right here is just kind of plucking the hair so it could look like scalp, if you get what I mean. After pulling out the baby hair I'm gonna spray my hairline with spritz and then put my lace band back on my head and sit under the dryer to kind of lock everything in place, and then we're gonna cut the baby hair. I'm going to use my hot comb to press out the baby hair that I'm going to be curling. And then I'm just gonna use my curling iron to just curl my hair. And then all I'm gonna do is just use gel to lay my baby hair down, and then I'm gonna also use my foam to also like put it in place. I know the baby hair is a little bit dramatic, but I wanted it to be dramatic. Like, I really did just want it to be dramatic. I wanted it to look so good like my stylist does it, because I needed to do this install and I wanted it to look like hers. So she does a little bit dramatic. It looks good on me when it's dramatic, so I decided to do it dramatic. So you don't have to do it like me. You can always do something different, but this was my preference. I wanted something definitely, bold and dramatic. So I sprayed my hair with spritz one more time, and I'm just going to use a wrap-in strip, and I'm going to sit under my dryer till it dries out, and then I'm going to take it off. And voila, this is how my hair turned out to look. It looks so good. It's literally melting into my skin. Like, it's so insane. I love XrsBeauty's lace. They have the best lace hands down. Their clear lace is undefeated. And then this curls is so gorgeous. This wig is everything. Oh my goodness, this wig is beautiful. I'm gonna link it in the description down below so you guys can check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and thank you XRS for sending me this gorgeous unit. I cannot wait to slay it, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.